National I-Corps and Innovate GW are certainly both great student programs. They helped us to better refine what is most important about the technology that we were developing. Ichosia Biotechnology is leveraging novel genetic engineering and stem cell technologies to solve the global blood crisis by taking stem cells and genetically engineering them to transform into fully functioning human red blood cells. I-Corps really helped us to focus our next steps. Innovate GW is a 2-week program. We have to do 20 different interviews with customers and key stakeholders. The National I-Corps program is a 7-week program. It's very similar, but much more intensive. They were doing 100 customer discovery interviews, and we broke out to explore different areas of the business model canvas other than just potential customers. That included speaking with people from the FDA, blood centers, as well as blood banks and hospitals, physicians, really a wide array of different people who we wouldn't have spoken to otherwise. National I-Corps allows $15,000 in stipends to the entrepreneurial lead or entrepreneurial leads, and now $10,000 in stipends to the technical lead. For us, that turned into R&D funding. If you have an idea, you should absolutely investigate it. The best first step is doing customer discovery work. It's definitely something great to put on your resume as well. Employers like to see that you have that skill set. So there's definitely a lot of value to Innovate GW, even if you're not necessarily going to become an entrepreneur. I-Corps helped us to understand more holistically and more comprehensively what our business looks like today and needs to look like in 5 years to be successful.